Okay, you guys, look at what just came in. My Morfone red light therapy lamp. Let's see what la magia roja is all about. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. Check this out. Inside we have the large therapy panel, the adjustable stand. It now comes ready to just plug in and glow. Let's set it up and have that red light therapy healing our body. A ver qué tal.
Everything you need comes in the box. Assembly only takes a few minutes. Just connect the panel to the stand and plug it in, ready to go. You can raise it, tilt it, and adjust it to hit any part of your body, face, back, legs, wherever you need it. It has 3 powerful red and infrared light levels, each one targeting your wellness in a unique way. Now, this is my healing moment. At home in peace, soaking in the red light therapy. Orders yours today.